Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is such a special video. I am doing a collaboration video with my friend Charmayne Rosalie. Her channel name is the same as her name, Charmayne Rosalie. She's a small new YouTuber, but her content is so good. Charmayne does cleaning videos, she does organizational videos, and she does lots of cooking videos. And she also has a segment where she cooks with her two little boys. They are adorable. The recipes that Charmayne makes are healthy and delicious. When Charmayne and I were trying to decide what we were going to do for our videos, we decided on doing something with the most important meal of the day, and that is breakfast. We are doing Valentine's Day breakfast ideas. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, to start our breakfast casserole, what we're doing is browning up some breakfast sausage. I'm gonna get this browned up, get it drained, and then I'll meet you over on my counter. Next step, we have 6 eggs, and we're gonna add milk. We're gonna whisk these up really well. My oven's preheating my oven is preheating to 350 degrees, and I have my 9x13 casserole dish. I'm just gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray just for easy cleanup. I'm gonna move this away from my lens. All right. Next, I have a bag of potatoes O'Brien. I'm going to put there's my dog, you guys. He wanted to say hello. He's doing fine. Just wanted to make sure you guys knew. I have a bag of potatoes O'Brien. I'm gonna put half of this bag in the bottom of our casserole dish. Next, we're gonna add in we're gonna add in our milk and egg mixture. We're gonna add in our browned sausage. And then I only had a half of a roll of sausage, so I'm gonna throw in some bacon bits as well in mine. We need to add 2 cups of whatever cheese that you like. I'm using Colby Jack. You could use cheddar, whatever your preference is on cheese. I'm gonna throw that in. Now we're gonna mix it all together, our cheese, egg, and potatoes. Next, we're gonna add some salt and pepper to the top. I found this recipe online on the All Things Mama website. Her blog I will have posted below that has the link to this breakfast casserole recipe. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in the oven for 45 minutes covered, and then we take the cover off and we cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until there is, how did she word it? Until the outside edges are firm and the center is no longer jiggly. I'll be back with an update on how things are going. Our first round of 45 minutes cooking with the cover on has completed. I'm gonna put this back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are browned and there's no jiggle in the middle. We'll be back. All right, guys, our breakfast casserole just came out of the oven. I'm gonna let this set up for about 10 minutes, and then it's time for Valentine's Day breakfast. And here is our breakfast casserole this morning. Babe, it's time for breakfast.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too, babe.
Thank you.
That breakfast casserole turned out so good. If you do not have a good breakfast casserole, this one's a must try for you. My husband thoroughly enjoyed it, and I think this would be a great Valentine's Day idea to start your family off right. Don't forget to check out Charmayne Rosalie. I have her channel listed below in the description box, as well as her video of her Valentine's Day breakfast idea. One last thing, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.